everyone, my name is Ari. Volcanic experiment. I'm the scientist. Okay, so we are going to make the volcanic experiments. Thanks to Lucia, gave me presents. So, some facts. Here's the things we're going to use today, inshallah. And we're going to make a volcano explode, but we will not make these colors, okay? Just normal. So, a mixing bowl. Bubble wad, and use some mixing thingy. Of course, this is 10 years old. I'm just not 10 years old. It's okay. Wear goggles. Just wear goggles, guys. Okay, so we have plastic bottle, small rocks, a measuring cup at the 200 thing. Baking soda, chemical one. One mixing bowl, volcano mold. So we pour the plaster mix. And this is plaster, and we pour plaster mix. And then here is what we call a string tube thingy. And of course, instructions. And there's two more extra things we need. We need water and vinegar. Okay, so let's get started. How do you want this thing? Okay. For the clean, tidy surface, clean and tidy. Check. We got add 500 grams of plaster to a mixing bowl. Plaster. And I was thinking, how will I? No man, sealed. How will I open this? Can anyone help me?
Scissors.
I don't have scissors. That's what we do.
Go get from home.
Okay.
Aslam.